In college, asking for money from your parents every time you go out just because you're broke, it gets a little too much embarrassing, right? And managing a 9 to 5 job, along with all those classes, assignments, that's a whole new struggle. But the good thing is, it's 2025 and you have the internet and AI on your side. So in this video, I am going to share you 5 side hustles which are super flexible, beginner friendly, and some of them are even powered with AI, which helps you to reduce the time and amount of efforts taken. Okay, so let's start with the first side hustle, which is freelancing. Freelancing is actually a very big word and it has a lot of subcategories in it. Starting off with the first category, we have writing. You can write a lot of things for the clients, like starting off with blog posts, a product description, and even the captions. Okay. And the good thing over here is you can use AI. You can use any LLMs or large language models like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to make it right for you. Okay. But I would not suggest you to directly copy from it. You can take the idea from it and add your own spices to it. Adding your own language and spices to it will make it more personalized, and that is where the money is. Okay. And secondly, we have graphic designing. In graphic designing, I would suggest you to start off with something very simple, which is Canva. I'm suggesting you this because in graphic designing, people really use complex softwares like Photoshop. But when you are in the starting phase, it's really very difficult and time consuming for you to learn Photoshop. Okay. And the thing with Canva is it is very simple and beginner friendly. I mean, the interface is really very simple and understandable. Okay. So yeah, and once you have mastered Canva, you can move to Photoshop. Thirdly, we have video editing. Similarly in video editing, I would suggest you to start off with something new and not pay for any software. Okay. The name of the software is DaVinci Resolve. It has a free version and also a paid version. You can start off with the free version and learn it from any YouTube sources, like any channel. And if you want me to suggest any channel, it's in the videos. It's in my video description. Okay, you can check it over there. So yeah, once you have mastered DaVinci Resolve, you can move to complex softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. Okay, so next freelancing niche is programming, and it is one of my most favorite thing. Okay, you can take any development jobs like app development and web development job, and the twist over here is you can use AI but not directly. If you think that you will make AI to write your own code, it is impossible, because you have to understand the basic concepts of programming in any programming language you're using, like Java, Python, or anything. Okay. You have to understand every concepts of programming and how it is working, from writing the code to hosting it. Yeah, you can use AI for help. You can use AI as an assistant, but not the main worker. Okay. So yeah, these were all the freelancing niches you can use to make money, and we are moving on to the next side hustle. Okay, so the next side hustle that we have is content creation, but with the help of AI in a smarter way. You know, the thing is, you don't need fancy gears or millions of followers to start off with. You just need to pick up a topic. It can be anything like AI hacks, college tips, or maybe gaming or fashion. You just need to start and post consistently and daily on any platform. It can be YouTube or Instagram, or maybe TikTok if you're outside India. Okay. And you know where the magic is. You can use AI softwares to reduce the amount of efforts that you give. Like, you can use Opus Clips for editing your videos by just using prompts, or you can use 11 Labs for voiceovers. And if you don't want to show your face, that's also possible. You can use free image or video generators on the internet for doing that. Okay. And you know where the money is. Let me tell you how you can actually earn money from content creation. You can have brand deals, affiliate links, maybe YouTube Shorts bonus, and if you are willing to create long form content like I am doing, you can earn money through YouTube AdSense. Okay. And when I say you don't need fancy gears to start off with, I mean it. Because I'm following this thing. I'm just using a phone camera to shoot this video. And this microphone, it just costs around rupees 2000. Okay. So yes, you can start off with a really low budget. Okay, so the next side hustle is online tutoring, which is really popular over here in India, right? But don't worry, you don't have to be a genius. You just need to be good at a subject and good in communication, okay? And you can help your students and clients in online video conferencing sessions like in Zoom or maybe Google Meet in exchange of some money. But let me tell you where the trick is. You can just use any AI like ChatGPT or Perplexity AI to help you in breaking down tough concepts and finding a better explanation, or maybe even in preparing notes. Yes, you are still teaching, but in a more efficient manner. And believe me, people pay well amount of money for it. Okay, so moving on to the next side hustle, which is affiliate marketing, that is getting paid when anyone buys stuffs from your links. Okay, you can review any products like gadgets, maybe clothes or ebooks or anything, and when people buy it or maybe buy a subscription for it from your link, you get paid for it. And the thing is, you can use AI to save the amount of time taken. Okay, like you can use ChatGPT or Perplexity to research your products or maybe write captions and review for it. Yes, it saves a lot of time for you. And you can start off with free programs like Amazon Associates, Notion or Canva. And later you can take part in other programs. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the last side hustle for today is flipping undervalued items online. Yes, you can buy any kind of items from a local store or maybe big local marketplaces and sell them for a profit and high value online. Okay. Yes, and this side hustle is very interesting because it is gonna give you a really good taste of what business feels like. Okay, and you can use AI for helping you in this job. Like you can use ChatGPT for writing product description or maybe captions. Okay, and you can use Pixel Cut for improving the quality of the image of your items. And the best thing is you can use the data analytics part of ChatGPT for researching the market trends for your products in the market. Okay, so these were all the side hustles of today. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you want more informative and good videos like this, just make sure to show some support by subscribing my channel and hitting the like button. Okay, so yes, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.